Afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to read the chapter number 8, Reaching Grandmother's House of class 4th EVS. In our previous chapter, from the window at night, it was 9:30 when Omna's family started packaging her their luggages because it was about 3 hours to reach their own station at Kottayam. Now the time is 11:30 and date is the same, 17th May night. After half an hour it will be 18th May. So after our long train journey we reached Kottayam in the night. Valiamma's house was not far from the station. We had taken 2 auto rickshaws to get there. By then I was very sleepy and I did not even wait to eat anything. I took a bath and slept. I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke me up again. We got ready, took our luggage and went to the bus stand. Here she is talking about in the morning time. In the morning they took an auto and they reached the bus stop. From there they will move onwards. Valiamma's family also came with us when we were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too. Yes, they hired 2 auto rickshaws because there were 10 people and they were having their bags also. Bus stand conductor came and Appa bought tickets for all of us. We managed to get seats. As it went along, the bus got very crowded. People were sharing the seats. We also had to share our seats. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get off. My legs were stiff. I could hardly stand. I thought that we had finally reached the Amumamma's village. ओमना को लगा हम बस पहुंच ही गए हैं क्योंकि लास्ट स्टॉप पर बस रुकी थी. बट नो, अरे नहीं, आर ट्रैवल हैड नॉट एंडेड येट. अभी तो बस पहले हम लोग ट्रेन से उतरे, ऑटो से मौसी के घर गए, फिर मॉर्निंग में मौसी के घर से फिर बस स्टॉप आए ऑटो में, देन बस से हम अभी उतरे हैं, तो अभी हमारी जर्नी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. द बस स्टैंड हैड बट द बस हैज़ ड्रॉप्ड अस बाय द वाटर साइड. उसने हमें पानी के किनारे उतारा. लुक, अम्मा पॉइंटेड अक्रॉस द वाटर. अम्मा ने पानी के आर पार मुझे दिखाया. दैट इज़ वेयर वी हैव टू गो. पानी के इस पार हम खड़े थे तो पानी के उस पार मम्मा ने बोला कि हमें उस तरफ जाना है. बट हाउ विल वी गेट देयर. लेकिन हम जाएंगे कैसे. आई वॉन्डर्ड. मुझे हैरानी हुई कि यहाँ तो पानी है, पानी को कैसे क्रॉस करेंगे. जस्ट देन आई सॉ अ बोट कमिंग देयर. तभी एक बोट आई. देयर इज़ द फेरी. वो बोट नहीं थी, एक्चुअल बड़ी बोट होती है जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग बैठते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं फेरी. FERRY. Amma said immediately. A big crowd of people started getting off. तो बहुत सारे बड़ा क्राउड निकला उसमें से. स्कूल चिल्ड्रन, स्कूल के बच्चे, मैन, वीमेन, all with their own packets and luggages. Amma explained that ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach other side. Here you can see a ferry, a big boat type thing. This is used to cross the river. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from the big rush started to get into the ferry. It was off again. The ferry was off again. दोबारा ferry start होगी. I managed to get a place near the railing. I saw rippling of the water under the boat as the ferry moved. It was moving smoothly on the water. I saw coconut trees on the bank of the river. As we moved swiftly, we could see people fishing, washing, bathing and working along the banks. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. Island means ऐसी ज़मीन जिसके चारों तरफ पानी होता है उसको बोलते हैं आइलैंड. छोटा सा ज़मीन का टुकड़ा जिसके चारों तरफ पानी हो, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एन आइलैंड. And stopped. It was time for us to get off. At last we reached Amu Mamma's place. What a long and interesting journey it has been. कितनी लंबी और इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी थी, क्योंकि ओमना ने गुजरात से अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की. उसके बाद उसने बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी. ओमना ट्रेवल्ड बाय डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट्स आफ्टर शी गोट डाउन फ्रॉम द ट्रेन. कैन यू रिमेंबर वट दीज वर? ओमना ने कौन कौन से ट्रांसपोर्ट्स यूज़ किए जाने के लिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शी गॉट ट्रेन, देन शी गॉट ऑटो रिक्शा, देन बस एंड देन फेरी. यू हैव टू राइट द नेम्स. ऑन विच व्हीकल हैव यू ट्रेवल्ड? आपने कौन कौन से व्हीकल में ट्रेवल किया है? विच राइड डू यू एन्जॉय द मोस्ट एंड वाई? आपने कौन सी राइड या किस पर सवारी सबसे ज़्यादा आपने एंजॉय की है? आप बताएं क्यों. वाई मीन्स क्यों, ये भी बताना क्यों. Like I used to enjoy train travel because I can see everything outside. While traveling, I can see outside. Omna left Ahmedabad on 16th May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Amu Mamma's place? अम्मा मम्मा की प्लेस पर जाने में उसको कितना टाइम लगा? Have you ever been on a long journey? Where did you go? आप कहाँ गए थे कभी लंबी जर्नी पर? नेम द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यू यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी. अगर आप लंबी जर्नी पर गए हैं तो कौन कौन से ट्रांसपोर्ट्स आपने यूज़ किए? नेक्स्ट इज़ हाउ लॉन्ग डिड योर जर्नी टेक? आपकी जर्नी पूरी करने में आपको कितना टाइम लगा? ओमनाज अप्पा ब्रॉट टिकट फ्रॉम द ट्रेन एंड द बस. कैन यू थिंक ऑफ द अदर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट फॉर विच वी नीड टू बाय द टिकट्स? Like if we travel by an aeroplane, we have to buy a ticket. If we go by a ship, we have to have the tickets. Okay. Sometimes we need to buy tickets to enter a place. Can you think of such places? किसी प्लेस के अंदर, जगह के अंदर जाने के लिए भी टिकट परचेज़ करना पड़ता है. जैसे कि हम किसी जू में जाते हैं, चिड़ियाघर में. इफ़ वी आर विजिटिंग सम म्यूज़ियम, वी हैव टू बाय अ टिकट. दैन इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू सम पार्क like children's park or water park or wonderland, all these hi-fi parks, we have to buy a ticket to enter these parks. Look at this picture of the railway ticket. Find the following information on the tickets and circle with different colors and discuss the train number. You have to find out the train number, the date of start of the journey, then berth and coach numbers, then the fare, the distance. Yes, from this ticket you have to find out the PNR number, date of journey, etc. from here, and you have to put a circle like P for PNR. This is PNR, this is train number, date of journey, kilometers, then adults, children. Yes, type second AC. This is the station we will take the train, and it is up to Ratlam junction. This is the detail of the passengers. This is the amount of the ticket, 25,578, and this is boarding time. ठीक है, this is the boarding time. So you can find every information from this ticket. Now here is the timetable. Write what other informations can you find out from the ticket. You have to write here. All the railway timetables gives details about the route of every train, the stations along the route, what time the train will reach and leave each station, the distance covered. We can buy a railway timetable from a railway station. Railway timetable, likewise we are having school में class timetable we are having. Similarly at the railway platform we are having the railway timetable, because at a time every train cannot go on a track. If it happens, there can be a big accident. So to maintain and to avoid the possibilities of the accidents, the timetable is required, so that train driver, which we call the loco pilots, should know at which speed they should run the train, where they have to stop the train to give passage to the another train. So some portion of the timetable for the route of the trains on which Omna travelled are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. Here we can see, here it is the timetable. Train number is 16635, Gandhidham Nagarcoil Express. If you have been to the railway station, you must have listened to the that announcement. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, द ट्रेन नंबर गाड़ी संख्या 16635 गांधीधाम नागरकोइल एक्सप्रेस इज़ जस्ट अराइविंग ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2. This kind of an announcement you listen on the railway station. So this, below this you can see serial number, station name, arrival time means जिस टाइम वो स्टेशन पर पहुंचेगी, डिपार्चर टाइम जब वो स्टेशन से लीव करेगी, छोड़ेगी स्टेशन, डिस्टेंस उसने स्टार्ट मतलब कितना डिस्टेंस वो कवर कर चुकी है. देन लास्ट वन इज़ डे. डे 1 डे 2 मीन्स डे 1 मीन्स जिस दिन ट्रेन ने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी. देन गांधी, हियर यू कैन सी देयर आर total 14 stations from Gandhidham to Nagarcoil. The train is running and the total distance covered from Gandhidham to Nagarcoil, I am going to show you. From Gandhidham it is 0 kilometers and at Nagarcoil the station total distance is 2649 kilometers. And here day 1, day 2 and day 3 means on third day the train reached Nagarcoil, and this is showing 00 hours means at night. It is 12 AM at night. 3 तारीख को आधी रात को ट्रेन पहुंची है. So next is, there is an activity. Yes, circle the name of all the stations in the table that are mentioned in Omna's diary. What you have to do, you have to circle all the stations that Omna has named in her diary. Like Gandhidham, we read about Gandhidham, I have already marked. Then on Valsad, then Madgaon, then Udupi, and then it was Kottayam. Okay, so if Omna want to go by this train, she can buy this train, but she need to get off at Kottayam. From Kottayam she will move. Sorry, yes, Omna can take this train because she has to get off at Kottayam. Now circle the names of the station we have already done. From which station did the train start? कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई ट्रेन आपको बताना है. बांद्रा से, because it is given in the ticket. How many minutes did the train stop at अहमदाबाद स्टेशन? आपको बताना है कितने मिनट रुकी. On which day of the journey did train reached मडगांव, कब पहुंची. सुनील and got off कोझिकोड स्टेशन. ओमना got off at कोट्टायम स्टेशन. How many hours does the train take to reach कोट्टायम from कोझिकोड? जो सुनील था वो कोझिकोड में उतर गया, ओमना कोट्टायम में उतरी. तो आपको बताना है कि कितना डिस्टेंस कोट्टायम से कोझिकोड से कोट्टायम पहुंचने में कितना टाइम लगा. व्हाट इज़ द डिस्टेंस दैट ट्रेन ट्रेवल्ड ओवर द होल रूट, पूरे रूट पर ट्रेन ने कितना ट्रेवल किया? एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट 2646 आई थिंक. हाउ मैनी किलोमीटर्स डिड ओमना ट्रेवल बाय ट्रेन? तो आप बता सकते हैं कि ओमना ने कोट्टायम तक देखेंगे कि इतना डिस्टेंस कवर किया. लेट अस गो बैक टू द चार्ट. हेयर वी सी गांधीधाम से here we see from Gandhidham to Kottayam. This is Kottayam and this is the distance 2418. She started from Gandhidham and reached Kottayam. It is 2418 kilometers. Next, how many kilometers did Omna travel by train? I gave you. Would you like to keep a diary? क्या आप लोग एक डायरी रखना चाहेंगे? Take a notebook or a diary. You are a student. All of you are students of class 4th, and you can note down your activities during the whole day. So you should maintain a diary like Omna every day for a week. Only for 1 week. एक हफ्ते के लिए. Like आपको डायरी मेंटेन करना है मंडे टू संडे. ऑल्सो राइट यूर थाट्स एंड फीलिंग्स. अपनी जो भी आपके विचार आते हैं मन में और फीलिंग्स हैं या जो भी बातचीत आपको लगती है कि लिखना है उसे लिखिए. शेयर यूर डायरीज़ विद योर फ्रेंड्स. आपको अपनी डायरी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर. थैंक यू.